Hey, it's Lindsay. Up next, we're gonna be doing a quick 5-minute full body workout. It's gonna be a lot of fun and you don't need any equipment. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the little logo in the corner of this video. It's completely free and helps to allow me to make more workouts just like this one. All right, are you ready to get started? Because we're gonna get fit right now. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So our first exercise is gonna be laying scissor kicks. So we're gonna be laying down, keeping our back on the ground and switching big legs in the air. We have 20 seconds left. Each exercise today is gonna be 30 seconds long. And we have 5 exercises and they are gonna repeat 1 time. 10 seconds. Big, open, and switch, switch. 3, 2, 1. Next is inchworm push-ups. So we're starting standing and we're gonna walk out and push up and walk your arms back in. Good. If you're having trouble, you can always walk out, go to your knees, do your push-up to plank, and walk back in. 10 seconds, 1 more. Good. Next is gonna be squat, knee to elbow, starting now. So arms up, squat, knee to elbow, squat, knee to elbow. Good. Really crunching in that side. Try not to bend over the front, trying to keep your chest upright and over. Trying to keep your shoulders square to the front. 3, 2, 1. Standing front kicks is next. So we're standing here, alternating, kicking with straight legs, hips tucked under. Keeping that chest upright, trying not to use the chest to throw the leg, trying to just initiate with the quad and the hip flexor. 3, 2, 1. Next exercise is bird dogs alternating. Very nice. Keeping square to the ground and squeezing at the top, 8 seconds. And then we're going back through 1 more time. 2, 1, and into those big scissor kicks. Trying to keep those legs straight, lower back on the ground. Ten seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inchworm push-up is next. So starting here, inchworm walking, down to push-up, push-up, and plank, and press in, and stand. Good. Let's see if we can fit in 2 more. And inchworm out, and push up, and walk in, and 2, 1. Next exercise, squat elbow to knee. Here, squat. Together, squat, and touch. Good. And touch. "13 seconds left. Next is standing front kicks. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Standing front kicks, go. Try not to move any part of your body except for those alternating legs. Good, 15 seconds. Keep that chest big, shoulder blades back. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Last exercise, bird dogs alternating. Good, keep it up. We are almost there, 15 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. We are all done for today. Very good job, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for working out with me. Let me know in the comments how that workout went for you, and also make sure to leave me a like if you like this video. I release a new workout just like this one every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the new workouts. Also, if you're interested, check out my other channels for more fun workouts. I'll see you tomorrow.